Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I'm gonna teach you on how to cook shakshuka. Heat 2 tablespoons of canola oil in the pan. Sauté sliced garlic. Add 1 whole sliced onion. Mix in 1 teaspoon of roasted garlic and herbs. Incorporate 1.5 pounds of tomatoes or a large can of tomatoes. Smash the tomatoes. Season with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Stir well. And cover, simmering for 15 to 20 minutes, until reaching the desired tomato consistency. Add 8 eggs. Cover and cook for 3 minutes. Sprinkle with parsley. And cook for another 3 minutes. Serve with 2 slices of toast bread, and optionally, to fried chicken. Check out this link to view the recipe for how I cook fried chicken. Hope you liked my video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.